Okay, I'm still working on my brakes. And here's something I found that is really important. You got to get the wheel up off the ground so you can spin it and you can listen and feel and see shit. So how do you do it? Well, let me show you how I did. You got to get creative. So here's what I did. My little giant ladder, and I adjusted it up, and the handbar grips fit right there on there, and I'm still able to adjust my brakes. And then once I got that mounted there, watch this. I can swing the ass end around left or right, and it don't matter. Now, let me show you what I found. When I first started this, the rotor was not perfectly aligned in the center of the caliper. So, you know the routine. You've watched enough of my videos. You loosen up this, and you loosen up this, and then you squeeze the brake lever to center it, and then you slowly tighten these down one at a time until it's centered. So it's a definite improvement. So then what I did, I slowly started applying the brake a little bit at a time. Let's see, get this to spin enough. And what happened was, I can't show you this. I can show you about where it was, maybe. But I want to say it was right there. There's like I want to say a bump, a zit, a pimple, a tit. And I got my razor blade knife and I was actually able to scrape it off. It's almost like it was a piece of slag metal. And it was catching the brake pad. So then I took my razor blade and I just spun this until I got everything off of there. Did it on the other side too. Let's see if I can show you this. Then I got I don't know what this is. This is a 3M fine sandpaper foam wet dealie. So now I've just been holding this on here and I've just been spinning the rotor a bunch. I don't know if this is 220 grit or 8 million grit. And I really don't care. Because I've got 203, this is a 180. It says 180 right there, 180/24. I got a 203 on order. So I can't ruin this. I can't make it any noisier than it is. So I figure, what the hell. And I've done this enough on both sides. I'm ready to go for a test ride. Squeeze the brakes lightly. Yeah, it doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound good. But let's go for a ride. All right, let's see. I'm not going far because I'll know right away. So I'm just doing flip-flops. Okay, I gotta admit, that's the first promising noise that I have not heard in almost 400 miles since I've owned this. For the little mile and change loop around here and see if the noise gets any worse or better. Over 20 miles an hour. It's better. Definitely better. Okay, it's a little bit better, but not much. Okay, it's better. It's better. This is the secret right here. You've got to get the wheel, the front end of your bike, up off the ground. You got to be able to freely spin that tire so that you can see and feel and hear and sand whatever you need to. All right, man, I hope this helps. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe. I'm tired as fuck. See ya.